Hello everyone, this is your computer teacher Madan Pandey, and today we are going to discuss about the Fibonacci sequence. So what is the Fibonacci sequence? Fibonacci sequence is the sequence which is started from 0 1 or either 1 1 or and the next number is the sum of its initial two numbers. So like the number 1 is obtained from summing adding 1 and 0. The next number of the sequence 2 is obtained from adding 1 and 1. Similarly, the number 3 is obtained from adding 2 and 1, and number 5 is obtained from adding 3 and 2. And if the series continues in this form, then this series is known as Fibonacci series or Fibonacci sequence. So we are going to write a C program to demonstrate the logic of Fibonacci series or Fibonacci numbers. So we have our skeleton already set up. So as discussed earlier, I told you that if you do not know how many variables you need, you just write what you just write what you currently need and just leave it for the future work. So I need the upper bound of in sequence. So up to where? So this has in general mathematical term. I have write it here like and so on. So in C programming, we will give the upper bound. So up to where we need to print it. So I need the first 10 term of the sequence or first 20 term or first 100 terms up to where. So to denote that, I'll just keep a variable num. So this will be the upper bound of my sequence. So num, and then for a loop variable, I need a loop that will I will write I, and then I'll just leave it here for the initial bit, initial digit. So why I have leave it here, I'll just discuss it right now. So I will just write declarative message like \n, enter the numbers of numbers of sequence numbers of sequence to be printed. So I'll just scan the numbers, scan f. So remember, scan is the function for input percent and percent of num. So that's done. Okay. So now, as I discussed that the initial number, I will denote it with F0 is 0 in Fibonacci series. And the next number, first two numbers are known to the Fibonacci series or Fibonacci sequence. And the next number F1 is 1. So we will calculate the next number, that is F2, on the basis of these given two numbers. So the first two number are known, so I'll just print them down. So in new line %d, I'll just add up on tab space by \t, and then again %d, again I'll add up \t, and then the two variables f0 and f1, I'll just print them both. Okay, now I need to get with the loop part. So loop, from where do I need to increment the loop? So in most of the cases, we have seen that I equals to we write it 1 or I equals to 0 in many of the cases, but we need to think it little bit logically. So I need first first, for example, say first n numbers to be printed. So the value of num, let us suppose that I need my first 10 digits, 10 numbers in a sequence to be printed. So among 10, I have already printed 2 digits over here. Before starting this loop, I have already printed two numbers. So I'm searching for the third number. So I will start my loop with 3 because I have already printed two numbers. So that will be my logic. I is less than equals to num. This num will be the upper bound. So if I need 10 number to be printed, it will go up to 10. If I need 100 numbers, it will go up to 100. And then I plus plus. This is the increment section. I'll increment it with 1. So what I'll do is I'll simply calculate the next number, that is f2. And what is the logic of Fibonacci series? The next number is obtained by adding the initial two numbers, that are f1 and f0. I'll get this number like this. Okay, and I'll print it. Printf %d again. Okay, \t for a beautiful layout, and then I'll add f2. Okay, so done. Okay, then I need to change the variables. Why I need to change the variables? Every time the f2 is going to be same, f1 is going to be same, f0 is going to be same. In short, every single time the f2 is going to calculate 1 by adding f1, that is 1, and f0, that is 0. 0 plus 1 will be 1, and f2 will be 1 every single time. So I need to change these variables. I need to make new f0, that will be the f1. Older f1 will be, sorry, older f1 will be f0, and new f1 will be f2. So that's all. Okay, we are now ready to go. Let me save this program, save it, and now execute it. Compile and run. Okay, let me test with first 10 digits. So first 10 digits, I have entered 10. So let 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let us check this manually. 0, 1, these two are initially known, and 0 plus 1, that will be 1. 1 plus 1, that will be 2. 2 plus 1, that will be 3. 3 plus 2, that will be 5. 5 plus 3, that will be 8. 8 plus 3, that will be 13. 13 plus 8, 21. And 21 plus 13, 34. These are first 10 digits. Let us just run it one more time. And again, add the numbers 35. I want first 35 number to be printed. So this is done. So this is what Fibonacci number is all about. So you do not need to by heart it like this. You can just manipulate some logic. So if I want my loop to be started from 1, I just need to change this variable. So two numbers are already been incremented. I will subtract just n minus 2. Let me check with this. Okay, F11, this will be the shortcut. So 10. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, sorry. I have to write it equals to. Okay, equals to. This is done. So F, save it, run it. I'll check with 10 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we are done. So we can alter the logic. You can write it in any way you want. You just do not need to by heart a particular pattern or particular code that you sub it. So this is all for now. If you like my videos, do hit the subscribe and like button on my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching my video. I will be making a lot more videos for you. Thank you very much.